Puzzled by past tenses? Confused by comparatives? The English for Everyone Grammar Guide is packed with easy-to-follow English grammar rules and annotated sample sentences. Ideal for English test preparations or ESL lesson plans, the Grammar Guide uses visual teaching methods to introduce English grammar for beginners, reinforced through a variety of exercises and examples when used alongside our grammar practice book. Once you have built up your confidence in the written English language, the Grammar Guide can act as a reference point for more advanced sentence structures in practical English usage. English for Everyone is a series of guides and practice books that support English learning for teenagers and adults from a beginner level to intermediate and advanced practical English. Offering an easy-to-follow format that offers guidance for both teaching English as a foreign language and a self-study approach with resources available to improve English speaking, reading, and writing. Find the link below and buy the book now.